And so this is the second clip of the video. The welder's still on. That's what the dial was on. It had a little bit of a hiccup. Just the arc just went out for some random reason, but there's some globblies around there. Burnt the entire rod. And yeah. There's one of them partially uncovered. Some pretty nice ripple pattern in that, if the camera focuses. Too much steam. There we go. Get the rest of the slag off this. There's another one there. There we go. You can see that. And there's a nice little ripples in there. Ripples in there. 70-18 on this little thing. Well, there's a flat spot there. But yeah. And this is going to be used for a gear for a you can see the hot spots that burnt right through this gear. You can see that. See how thick this is. This is a gear for a number 41 chain, and set at 75 amps with the 70-18. You can see all these discolored spots on the back side of the gear. So that's a pretty good sign of penetration, I would say. And you can see the nice little ripples that these make. Haven't uncovered all of them, but they're probably all like that. Gonna clean this up a little bit and weld another one of these gears on this side, and then be going on a motorized bicycle with a high compression 208 engine on it. Makes 30 foot-pounds of torque. So nice little motorbike this is gonna be. And then hopefully rip it around for a couple of joyrides or whatever, and see if these break off, or if the gear itself that's welded to the other gear breaks before the welds do, which is probably what's gonna happen. Yeah.